Alrighty, let's see. I got to turn it into a pen. So what must be the power rating of a motor if it's to lift a 560 kilogram elevator up 3.2 meters? So we're lifting, by the way. Our force is going to be just the force of gravity, assuming we don't accelerate it, right? 3.2 meters, so that must be our distance, in 1.5 seconds. All right. So first thing, let's find the force that we're exerting, right? So force is equal to 560 times 9.81. I find these problems very satisfying. Let's see. 5493.6 newtons, that's our force. All right, now we have force and distance, so let's figure out work, right? Work is force distance, so that is equal to 5493.6 times, what's our distance? 3.2. So times 3.2. This is all I have to do on my calculator. I think that's why I like these. 117,579.52, and that is joules. That's work. Right, and now let's see, we've got the time, so the final step is power is work divided by time, so that's going to be nope, it's not going to be, it's going to be 17,579, I'm zoning out here, 0.52 divided by 1.5, so I just divide by 1.5, I think I've got it. Wow, that's a lot of watts. I'm getting that the power is 11,719.68 watts. How many sig figs do we have? We have 2 sig figs. So I guess we'd have to actually say like 12,000 watts roughly, right? I'm not going to though. I'm not going to go that far.